2. Perfect day to change out these windshield wipers. We're going to do the front and back today. Hey guys, it's me, 𝙂𝙚𝙖𝙧. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another, and that's not a mod, but we're going to be switching windshield wipers front and back. I got quality GM parts yesterday, right straight from the dealership. I'll leave out prices and part numbers on the screen so you can see them and check them out. If you guys have any idea where we can find, say, Amazon or alternate places to buy like wipers, even if they're not GM, like if they're aftermarket, please leave them in the comments below, because as you're going to see, there's a lot of money you're going to put out just for wipers, and it's ridiculous the markup on them. All right, so let's get to the front ones first. All right, so we're going to be doing the passenger one first. One of the things you want to do is take the actual part that you bought and make sure it looks exactly alike. So you can see here, it's all the same. There's a little knob you're going to push on to take it off. But before we do that, we're going to get let's protect our windshield here. You never know. You could scratch it or, you know, drop it and it hits the windshield. You don't want to crack or anything like that. So what you're going to do first is, I believe you press on the button, push it up a little bit and pull it towards you, and it comes up. See, that just went down with my little...
Your knowledge is only overshadowed by your stupidity.
Let's see here. Okay. And you got this, take the blade off, put the new one on, and just slide right in there, pops right in there. See? That's it. It's that easy. Let's go do the other side. All right, we'll do the same for the driver's side. Somewhere here. Up towards you. And this one you're going to push away from you to get it off. It's a little bit different here. There we go. All right, so we're going to lift this up. And slide it in. Take the protective blade off. And we're ready to go. All right, let's test these out with that crappy white stuff outside here. Let's pull it up a bit. Pellets. Oh yeah, nice and quiet now, no chatter. Beautiful. All right, for the rear, you're going to want to be protective with the glass too. So just put like I say, a small, I got a carbon fiber. Sorry, not carbon fiber. Microfiber cloth there, just to be on the safe side. So you're going to want to kind of lift this part down here and then squeeze there and just pull, and it comes right off. And I'm not going to put the new part on because I didn't really need one right away, but I just got it because I wanted it. So it's just the reverse. You're going to put it back and it snaps right back on. And that's it. Anyways, there's proof that I did buy a new part for the back too, just to have it, because I'm eventually going to need it. So there you go. Yeah, one thing I forgot to mention is just in case by chance these parts don't fit, when you're opening the box, make sure you open it carefully. Don't do it on the opposite side because there's tape. But yeah, so if you have to take it back to the dealership, they're not going to give you crap for it. Just take it back and return it nicely, and then they can resell it. All right, guys, so that's pretty much the video. I hope this benefits a lot of people. I haven't seen too many wiper videos done on the Trax. There was one with my buddy. I'll mention his name in the film. I'll maybe link his video up to this one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. I like to hear your comments. I want to hear some of your comments if you got any Amazon links or somewhere else cheaper to get these. Like I said, this was pretty much a how-to mod, but I had to use a lot of money just to buy buy wipers. So if you guys have any suggestions where to get wipers for cheaper, even the blades, like the rubber, please let me know in the comments below. Until next time, please check out my email address if you want to send me something, my link tree. And that's got all my links there. Until next time, see you later. Have a good one and stay safe. Bye, guys.